Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 104 cannot request exclusive semaphores at interrupt time, error invalid at interrupt time on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc scan now. Simply type sfc/scan now. sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose device manager. In device manager, under available drivers, look for any faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark against it. If you found any such type of faulty driver found, expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty drivers in your system. Basically display adapter and network adapter. Same process, right click on it and choose update driver, search automatically for drivers and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings, or you may directly go to Windows search and open create system restore. Type in search field. If not available here, recovery, under recovery option, and here if you found system restore here but you can't find system restore here, so close the system settings page and go to Windows search, right click on start button and choose run dialog box and here type rstrui. This command will open system restore Windows. Click on OK. Restore system files and settings page will open. Here click on next and on the next page select your restoration point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select it and choose next. Finally, confirm your restore point. On the next page, your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event. In the description field below, your system will be back. And finally, click on finish to confirm your restoration point. After that, follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Your error definitely will